Okay, so today we're taking a look at the Augnner foldable magnetic 3-in-1 wireless charger. It charges 3 devices simultaneously wirelessly. Charge things like your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch, and it features overcharging protection. So while your devices are charging, they are protected. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose back at you with another tech take, and this is a place where I come across cool tech so you can see if it's the right tech for you or not. Guys, at the very least, I just want you to come away learning more about the cool tech that is out there and how to use it. Okay, so the Augnner W90 and the W91. I've been trying out these wireless chargers for a couple of days, and I want to share you what my thoughts are and just how cool these wireless chargers are. Now, let's be honest, it's like countless wireless chargers out there, and I feel like we're getting to a point where, wow, they're really doing some cool things with it and also overcoming the design flaws of the earlier ones. Let's check out our first one because I really like both of these wireless chargers. Okay, so in the box, of course, you'll have your wireless charger. You can see this is more of like a stackable design. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier that these do include a built-in nightlight. I'll show you what that looks like shortly. As far as the accessories that you get with it, it's your standard accessories when it comes to a wireless charger. You get a USB-C to USB-A and a AC adapter to power your wireless charger. Now, because for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to connect it to the AC. I'm going to use my own wireless charger to my own power bank to power this charger. Okay, and I want to give you some cool scenarios of some realistic ways that we can use this. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna plug it in right here. Okay, so now we're getting power to our device, and you can see right here how the night light comes up. You can turn that on and off just by swiping the side. You'll see how it has a little light there. All you do is just swipe, and let me try it again. So it swipes and it turns off. I'll swipe again, and the light turns on. So that's your night light, just in case you're, scared of the boogeyman or something. Okay, so if you want to charge, there's different ways. If you like charging it from this position, you can go ahead and just put your phone on it, and it's charging just like that. So that's charging option number 1 when it comes to this one. Let's take it apart or take it off. We can bring this up, and let's see in the back that we have our charger for our Apple Watch. So we can go ahead and let's put our phone here. Actually, we can go to the side. Now, keep in mind, and of course, as we do it, you can see that the time comes on. Now keep in mind, let's just say maybe you don't want this next to your bedside on kind of like a night lamp, or maybe you want this on your desk and you want to watch like movies or content. Again, it'll hold your phone just like that, either vertical or sideways. One thing that I've noticed that I really like about these chargers is that they have a heavy base, meaning that with those previous wireless chargers, the stackable one, the foldable ones, you really have to play a balancing game with your own devices so it doesn't tip over. The base is wide and thick enough and heavy enough where the weight doesn't become a problem. I love that. Okay, so we're charging our phone, and now I can just go ahead and take my watch, and now both my phone and my watch are now charging. Let's get to the third version of this. I'll pull it up again. And now I have a little space here for my AirPods. Now, what I really like about the design of these wireless chargers is that the place for your AirPods, it's like a little pocket or a groove. It has like a little place they can sit, so it's just not sliding off or falling off. I can just place it right here. Bing, it's charging. And it's good to go. And I can set my phone either portrait or landscape. There we go. And also take my Apple Watch, and it's charging right there. I love it. I really love the fact that the base is weighted, and I'm not worrying about this thing tipping over or not. I'm not playing any silly games of what the balance is. Look at that. I'm bringing it all the way to the front, and it's still holding its position. I love that. Really, oh man. Yeah, I think I'm getting a little too excited about a wireless charger, but yeah. All right, let's move to our next one. Of course, we can just fold it back and bring it back in, and that's it. So let's put this off to the side. Let's go to our next one. It has the same thing, USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and of course the AC adapter, so we can just leave that there. But here is our wireless charger, the Augnner. Now again, it looks a little different. It's flat. Let's go ahead and connect it. All right, that one's good to go. And of course, I can just lay my phone on it. It's charging. So again, if I want it my nightstand on my desk, I can just charge it like that. Let's go ahead and start transforming this guy. We can bring that up. I can bring the Apple Watch part out. So I can bring this right here. I can stand this one up right here. That's charging. I'll bring my Apple Watch right here, and that's charging. Now, another feature that I really like about both of these wireless chargers, these 3-in-1 wireless chargers, is that it has a really strong magnet. I mean, it's really holding it, right? I mean, again, earlier on with these wireless chargers, sometimes they would have too weak of a magnet, and you know, they'd slip off. It's like, is it sticking? It's sticking? No. It's got it. It just gets it. And of course, your Apple Watch, the same thing too. You can really feel the magnetic pull of it when it settles there and starts charging. And again, we have that same pocket like I was mentioning before that we can put our AirPods sitting right there. Just like that. And this one also has a night light as well, where I can go ahead and just... Let me move this to the side so I can show you guys. There we go, right there, so we can slide. Night light is on, slide again. Night light is off. So, charge, and charge. All right, guys, that is the Augnner, the W90 and the W91. Again, love the wide, solid, weighty base, so this is not tipping all over the place. That is a plus. You don't want your devices falling over, especially if you don't have a case or a case where, you know, so the magnetic charge. You want it to be sturdy. I love how the bottom has that little pocket for the for your AirPods, so they're not kind of like slide over it. It's got that little indent so it can sit there. And I love the additional, I like the extra magnet for the Apple Watch so it can sit there securely at the same time. And of course, compact and foldable, just like that. All right, guys, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Augnner 3-in-1 magnetic wireless chargers. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.